minutes. More members of Team Achilles coming through. Achilles and the Mets. What a great combo out there.
Nice job, girl.
The magic of achievement is at the very core of Achilles. The whole goal of Achilles is that people's lives can be changed by having the opportunity to achieve. Working very hard to reach goals that seem impossible has profound implications for all areas of a person's life. Their level of aspiration changes in every endeavor they set out: personal, professional, academic, and social. We want to share with you how your generous support is changing lives for our Achilles Kids through the magic of achievement. First, we have a wonderful, fun, activity-based running program for children of all ages and all ability levels. Kids run relay races based on a theme. They're running and stretching and exercising, but they're having so much fun they don't even realize it. It sets them on a course for even bigger achievements. Our advanced training program meets in Central Park every Saturday. Kids run or walk longer distances and train for races of 1, 5, 10 miles and even longer. We are incredibly proud that 4 of our Achilles Kids just completed the Brooklyn Half Marathon. For Noah, one of our half marathoners, it was merely a long training run for his first New York City marathon this weekend.
Why do you run? What are the goals you've set with this?
Well, I've set goals like to run half marathons years ago.
I think Noah's built a lot of strength and a lot of character. He perseveres. He puts a lot of goals in place, and he puts a lot of things, and he just pushes forward. He's matured, he's grown, he's learned what it is to define a goal and stick to it and be mature about it, and I think running has played a large part in that.
Achilles Kids also has a school-based program, which began in 1995 with 75 kids participating in 6 New York City schools. Today, we have chapters in more than 350 schools in 18 states, reaching more than 11,000 children with disabilities. The children in the Achilles Kids school program are almost exclusively poor, minority children with 1 or more physical or cognitive disabilities. They have the opportunity through Achilles Kids to complete a virtual marathon, 26.2 miles in a school year. But it is hardly their only challenge. Some are homeless. Some don't have enough to eat. Some are in foster care. Some are not surrounded with the love and support in which you would hope every child is enveloped. They struggle with virtually every school-based interaction, academic, personal, social. Tasks we do a million times a day and take for granted are insurmountable for many Achilles Kids. Every step they fight forward is met with another hurdle, but still they persevere. Every day, through pain and confusion and misunderstanding and the limitations imposed by their disability, illness, injury, and poverty, they persevere. And as they do, Achilles Kids is right there with them, providing training and support to help them achieve, and a variety of awards, certificates, silicone bracelets, t-shirts, awesome half-marathoner and marathoner medals. These awards are a portal to another world, where hard work is met with reward, where perseverance and sacrifice pay off, where how hard you work and how hard you fight are more important than your test scores, language ability, and social skills. Completing a marathon is a huge accomplishment and something the children are rightly proud of, but it's so much more than that. It really opens up to the kids something that they never thought that they could do. It's the magic of achievement, and it all starts from crossing the finish line. The finish line is really the start line to the rest of their lives.